Welcome to WL Handyman Service, your go-to experts for toilet repairs in Tampa, Florida. Today we're showcasing how we tackle common toilet issues to keep your home running smoothly. Is your toilet running non-stop? A faulty flapper could be the culprit. Our team quickly identifies and replaces it to save water and money. Having trouble with a toilet that won't flush, whether it's a clogged drain or a flush handle issue, we diagnose and fix it efficiently. Leaking toilet causing damage, we replace the wax ring and tank bolts to prevent costly repairs and water bills. Strange noises from your toilet? A faulty fill valve might be the issue. We replace it to ensure your toilet operates quietly and effectively. From running toilets to leaks, WL Handyman Service is here for all your toilet repair needs in Tampa, Florida. Timely repairs save you money and prevent bigger issues. Experiencing toilet troubles? Contact WL Handyman Service today. Like, comment, and subscribe for more handyman tips. Click the link below to request a repair. See you next time.